All right guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're doing something super exciting. We're going from this to this. It's time to wake the neighbors. And if there's one thing all car enthusiasts can agree on, you gotta give your car some character, whether that's the way it looks, whether the way it performs, or especially the way that it sounds. Now you guys know on my NC2, I've been running a bunch of different exhaust setups. I've got a video up here in the corner that you can check out to see all the different exhaust clips that I've gathered over the years, all the different exhaust setups that I've had. And on my NC1, it's totally stock. It has the OEM manifold, OEM mid-pipe, resonator, 2 catalytic converters, and an OEM muffler. But today we are changing that with a Goodwin Racing race single muffler. And cue the comments, oh Jackson, this is supposed to be a daily. It is a daily, but there's nothing wrong with adding a little bit of spice to your daily. And you guys will see what I mean once we get this installed. Now back in 2015, when I picked up my NC2, this was the first modification that I did to my car. And I wasn't making YouTube videos on it at the time, so there's really not any video on it at all before I started installing the extra exhaust bars on it. And I dailied that car every single day, 5 days a week, to and from work. I took it on vacation, took it on trips. It's louder, yeah, but it sounds really good. In the NC1, while we do have the intake on it, the rear end is not making any noise. Basically none at all. It sounds like an OEM Roadster. It's got a little tiny bit of a growl, but we can definitely do better. And this is one of the cheaper options of mufflers that you can get. And I know it is a single tip, but I like the single tip. I think it makes the car look a little bit more aggressive from the rear end. Like you see it and it's like, oh, something's kind of going on with this car. So if you don't notice the sound, you'll notice the way it looks. And that's what I'm going for. So let's grab our tools and get this thing in. So besides the obvious size difference, the Goodwin Racing Race Single is only 8 pounds, which is nearly 20 pounds lighter than the OEM muffler. So pretty big difference in weight there for such a simple modification that we're gonna be subtracting weight from the rear end while adding some cool sound and cool looks. But it was pretty easy to take off. The hangers were not in too bad of shape. They're a little crusty, but they'll hold for now. Easy to slide off. Just getting like a wrench under there and prying it off was pretty easy to do. So now I've just got my two new bolts with 2 new nuts as well. I'm gonna leave the gasket on there for now, notice if there's any leaks, and then get this thing installed. GWR Race Single is installed and it's pretty easy to do. It's like a 30-minute job. I'm not like a huge guy and I can fit under the car without a jack stand or anything, which is nice. It's hard to do projects in the garage. I really need to finish the red car, but it's on. I like the look. It's just the little single exit exhaust. I might come up with some sort of plug for the left side because I do like the single exit. The Miata's nice and all, but I don't think it needs a dual exit exhaust or muffler at least. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. So obviously I'm not gonna like rev the shit out of it in my neighborhood, but It sounds so much better. I forgot how good this sounds with just the muffler by itself. I know some people do like the ISR muffler delete, but I thought that would be a little too much on a OEM plus looking car. I wanted the extra sound, but I didn't want a dual exit muffler like the Super Q. I don't particularly like the way the Super Q sounds, and I've had one before, but I also didn't want the RS2 either because I don't want dual mufflers. So this was the solution, and it sounds pretty good. So instead of just sitting in the driveway, let's take it for a drive.
Hoping to hear from this car. So if you made it this far, I'm sure at this point you have seen what you've seen on the internet and saying that this muffler is way too loud. Now, I'm sure you can hear it. It's really not as loud in person as some internet videos might make it out to seem. This is probably the best muffler that you can get if you're not doing anything else to the car. If you're going to keep your OEM manifold, your OEM mid-pipe, throw this muffler on and it sounds just like a Roadster should from factory. And big shout out to Adam. Thank you for selling me your old muffler. It's gonna get great use. It's currently getting some great use right now because I just love the way it sounds through the whole rev range. Not too boomy. I've got the windows down right now, but I drove it to work the other day and it sounds great. There's not really any drone, but of course my red car is super loud too. We've done exactly what I wanted to do. Give this car a little bit more character, have it sound good. So now we get that subtle noise of the intake. We get a little bit more subtle of an exhaust tone since it is just the muffler. I know there's plenty of options out there for the RS2 Super Q, as I mentioned. But if you're going to get a single exit exhaust or just muffler, I think this is the one to get. It really just brings that extra little bit of spice to this car. Got the top down, the windows down, in a car that looks mostly unmodified, and it sounds good. It's exactly what you want. If you want to get out there and enjoy your Miata, enjoy your Roadster, add a little bit extra of exhaust noise. Get yourself a muffler, specifically the Goodwin Race Single, and I promise you will enjoy it. But that's about all I have. I mean, it just sounds good. There's not really much else to be said. I mean, you guys can hear it. I don't really need to do too much talking. Just one more little poll for you guys. This is 4,500. Sounds good through the entire rev range. It's so good. And cold start, it's not gonna wake up your neighbors. I know I made that joke in the beginning of the video, but it's not gonna wake up your neighbors. Don't worry. I highly recommend it. Super excited about the way this car is turning out. More mods to come, as I say at the end of every video, because I just have more modifications to come. So if you are new to the channel, do me a favor, go down below, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments on what mufflers and exhaust setups you guys are using so everyone can kind of reference that, because I'd love to hear what you're running on your cars. There's so many different options. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one.